Hey, how you doing there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and welcome to another 5-Minute Friday. Short and simple little lesson that you can take, make your own, and have a lot of fun with over the weekend. So today we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorite things to do on an acoustic guitar, and that's kind of using the sixths. To strum up and down the neck of the guitar. Now you can use this in a strummy way just to practice your strumming, or you can use it in a blues context when you go to the 4 chord. If your A is the 4 chord, you can use it in a blues as well. So we're going to be talking about all of that. Let's get right into it. Have a tab for you, so it's going to be easier for you to follow along, showing you these exact shapes, how to get up and down the neck. So if you want to get that tab, I highly recommend getting that. It's linked underneath this video. Also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'm really trying hard to put out good videos, great videos. So if you subscribe, that would really help me out a lot. Okay, thank you very much. Let's get right into it. So we're starting off on the A7 shape, or A7 is A7 actually right now, and it's just always going to be on the 2nd and 4th string. So this entire walk up is going to happen on the 2nd and 4th string, and there's only going to be 2 shapes. One shape, both of the fingers are going to be in the same fret, and with other shape, one finger, your middle finger, is going to be ahead of that first finger, right? So, and the cool thing about it also is that you can strum 5 strings. Okay, so all of these strings, except the 6th string, which I'm going to mute with my thumb, you can strum. Okay, so that's the first shape. Second shape looks like this: 3 and 4, then 5 and 5, 7 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 and 11, 12, 12, 14, 14. Okay, so again, as I said, you can either strum this kind of up and down, or you could play randomly, you know, just have fun with it, see what you can come up with. Right, just improvise, go crazy, have a lot of fun. You could do it that as well. And also, it's a cool thing to do just to practice different strumming patterns. If you want to just kind of have fun and go crazy with your right hand, this is a nice thing to do, since all of the strings are ringing and it's a strummy kind of sound, and it's going to sound cool. Plus you have, you know, this nice harmony melody thing happening that you can also take advantage of while you're practicing that strumming. Okay, so that's kind of the first way you could practice this. You could also play the notes as single notes, right? You could do that as well. I made a little mistake there. So you could strum it, you could play them as single notes, all kinds of fun things you could do. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about was kind of in a blues context. So if you're playing a blues in E, instead of only doing that shuffle, and by the way, when you go to download my the tab that I've included for this, you're also going to get a free beginner blues guitar course. So if you don't know any of this stuff and you want to learn some cool turnarounds, that's for free in that course as well. Okay, when you go to get the tab for this lesson. Okay, can I get a thumbs up for that? All right. So if you're playing that blues shuffle in E, instead of shuffling when you go down to the A, you could go. Right, so you could start off your shuffle on the E, go down to the A, back to E, then when it goes to the A, do that thing, improvise, have fun with it, and then go back to the E, okay? So again, I'm just trying to plant little seeds of ideas, or idea seeds in your head, so that you can then take this and roll with it and make it your own. So what I would recommend you to do now is first make sure to go download all the goodies I have for you, and then search E major backing track. And then when you hear it go to that A chord, instead of doing your shuffle thing, try to do this little walk up, right? And again, you can go just up the neck, which sounds very cool. Or you could randomly try to just do different things with it. Or again, you could play those as single notes. Right? Single notes, strum, up and down, combine it, all kinds of different things. So again, 5 Minute Friday, I want to give you little nuggets of, information, little seeds of wisdom, whatever you want to call it, and then take it and make it yours, own it, practice it. Don't be afraid to try out different things and improvise. That's the whole magic of learning this instrument. Not just playing everything note by note, but actually discovering things and being creative on the instrument. At least for me, that's my favorite thing to do on this guitar. And that's why I love it so much. So I hope that this little 5 Minute Friday is helping you on your journey. I hope it's accomplishing what I've set out for it to accomplish. And I hope that you can now take this and have something fun to do on your weekend. All right, again, if you like this lesson, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You're going to get a lot of great videos coming your way. I have tons of videos already prepared, pre-recorded. They're going to be coming out every Friday. And yeah, make sure to go get that tab. Again, you're going to get my free beginner blues course. If you don't know anything about the blues, it's going to tell you all about the blues and the structure of the blues and all that good stuff. Okay, so that's that. Enough talking. Get your guitar, get walking, and have a great weekend. All right, Henry Olsen here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.